Okay, before we begin, this video is not about how to hack your neighbor's Wi-Fi, but instead how to find the Wi-Fi password of a connected network. Now, why you want to do that? Well, for me, I frequently change my Wi-Fi password, and because of that, I often get confused with my current password. Or let's consider another situation. Say you walked into a hotel that offers free Wi-Fi, but the person or the manager responsible for telling you the password is not available. Now you have two situations. You can either wait for that person, or if you see a computer that is connected to the same network, which obviously there would be, then you can easily find Wi-Fi password within a matter of seconds. So let's see how. Hi there, this is Minal once again and welcome to our TD videocast. In this quick video, we will see how to find Wi-Fi password of a connected network in Windows, Mac, Linux and Android. So with that being said, let's get started. Finding a Wi-Fi password in Windows is quite easy. Here I have a Windows 10, but it will work for all the version of Windows. Start by going into your network and sharing center and then click on the Wi-Fi name. You will see a new window will open. From there, click on the wireless property and under the security tab, click on the show password checkbox. And there we have it, the Wi-Fi password. However, if you're not logged in as an administrator, like for this instance, I'm logged in from my dad user account, then whenever you click on this show password option, it will ask for the admin password. Now let's say you don't have the admin password. Well, there's a workaround for that as well. Open up your command prompt by hitting the Windows key and then type in CMD and then click on the first suggestion. Now once you are in the command prompt, type in the following command and replace the SSID with the Windows Wi-Fi name. For this instance, mine is free internet. Windows command prompts are not case sensitive. However, it is always a good practice to follow case sensitivity. And now once you are done, hit enter. Now scroll down till you see the security setting and next to your key content is your Wi-Fi password. Similarly, to find the save Wi-Fi password in Mac, go to your keychain access by going to application and utilities, or you can also press command plus space and bring out the spotlight and then search for keychain access and hit enter. Now here you will see the list of all the secure passwords that are stored on your Mac. However, before you do anything, you will have to unlock the padlock. So click on it and enter the login password. Now scroll down till you see your Wi-Fi name, or even better, use the search box on the top and type in your network name. Now once you find your network, tap on it and click on show password. Now you will have to enter the computer username and password, and there you have it, your password for this connected network. Now you can also use the terminal if you want. So open up your terminal using Spotlight and then type the following command. Now obviously you will have to replace the SSID with the Wi-Fi name. Now here again you will have to enter the username and password. This is because unlike Windows, Mac operating system is derived from Unix, and this is why it's high on security. So if you don't have the login credentials, there is no way you can find the Wi-Fi password in Mac or even any other Linux operating system. However, there is still some hope left if you know how to access the router page, which we will see in the last part of this video. Like macOS, we can also easily find the Wi-Fi password in Linux operating system with the help of a terminal command. For this instance, I am running Ubuntu on my virtual machine, but this should work on all the Debian based operating system. So open up your terminal and type in the following command. Now you don't have to remember these commands. I will leave the commands in the video description, so check that out. This asterisk here will bring up all the connections and their keys. Or if you want to replace it, you can also replace it with the Wi-Fi SSID. Now once you're done, hit enter and there you have the Wi-Fi password of the connected network. Things become little more difficult as we move towards the Android ecosystem, because here you will need the root access to see the password. Now why root? Well, because of security reasons obviously. If your phone ever gets stolen, the security of entire network or the company where you work may get compromised. However, if your phone is rooted, then you can easily find the Wi-Fi password using any file browser. Like for this instance, I will be using ACE File Explorer. And then navigate to data, then miscellaneous and this Wi-Fi folder, and then open up this config document. And here you will find all the SSID and their password. Or alternatively, you can also use the applications like Wi-Fi password recovery. Obviously, it also requires root access. and the same goes true for all the iOS devices as well. Without jailbreaking your iPhone or iPad, you cannot find any saved Wi-Fi password. Well, let's just say nothing works. Well, you can still find the Wi-Fi password using the router setting page. Start by any computer connected to the same network and open up the browser. Here, type in the router login address. For most router, it is either 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Else, you can find the information at the back of your router. Now, once you see the login page, you will have to enter the username and password. By default, it is either admin and admin or admin and password. Now from what I have seen, many people don't change this credential, especially if they reset their routers a lot. So go ahead and try this combination or Google search with the router's model number, and once you see the setup page, the rest is piece of cake. Simply go to this wireless security and there you will find the password of the current SSID. So there you have it, how to find the Wi-Fi password of a connected network. Well, this is all for now. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have a suggestion or a problem, then let me know in the comment section below. And in my future videos, I will be posting more free explanatory videos. So if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do it now. And this is all for now. It's Minal signing off, and like always, thanks for watching. Hi there, this is Minal once again, and in today's video we will find out how to boost your Wi-Fi signal with the help of a old router.